buna enchire ya muyo Gosiira Oboremi ase abarimi b'ekemeri Bw'Echae nigo mosenete bwa county ya Nyamira Kong'o OMOGENI aborire EKOMITI ekorigereria oborimi NETUGO KOUNENKIA gose KOUNENKIA igoro ya ekemeri EKIO ase abarimi bakonachwa chikilo kagokwana korwa ase amagache senate ni gasabire getambukire EKIO kerichiko kuimukerigwa abateneri baria bakonyorekana na mamocho yokonacha chikilo anene mono ase county ya Nyamira neri ya Kisii.
Rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries on a matter of national concern regarding moisture content reductions from being imposed on farmers by tea factories. Mr. Speaker, sir, moisture content reductions are reductions in the recorded weight or value of agricultural produce on the basis of alleged excess water content. In a circular dated 9th of July 2026, the Tea Board of Kenya declared the deductions of alleged surface or systematic moisture from green tea delivered by factories to be illegal, fraudulent, and a malpractice. Noting that Section 21 of the Green Leaf Quality Guidelines of 22nd January 2026 already provides for natural moisture variations through a green leaf to made tea conversion ratio of 20 to 24%, depending on prevailing weather conditions. The Tea Board therefore prohibited such deductions and warned that any factory engaging in the practice would face legal action. Mr. Speaker, sir, despite this directive, some fraudulent tea factories, particularly in the counties of Nyamira and Kisii, continue to unlawfully deduct approximately 0.5 kilograms from every delivery of green leaf tea, unfairly reducing farmers' earnings and undermining confidence in the tea value chain. In the statement, Mr. Speaker, sir, the committee should address the following. Number one, a county-by-county breakdown of the number of tea factories affected, the tea factories involved, the quantity of green leaf subjected to moisture content reductions, the estimated financial losses that has been incurred by farmers, and the period during which the deductions have been made. The committee should inquire into the long-term policy, regulatory, and oversight measures being implemented to strengthen transparency and accountability in the weighing, grading, and payment of green leaf, protect tea farmers from unlawful deductions, and ensure full compliance with the law by all tea factories and their management.